apoy-apoy.
Ang cinematic! Cinematic! Ay! Ayan yung
Ay!
album eh. Ang angas.
Parang nakikita ko
Ay.
nga na-influence niya si Kendrick Lamar.
No, pati sa visuals
Sa
eh.
visuals din niya.
Hey guys! Welcome back to the 2K BFF Shout out! I'm si James Matthew.
And I'm si JM.
And today, I'm green with envy.
I'm red with envy.
And today we're gonna watch the...
NVMV.
Wow!
By
Galing, ah.
Felipe.
Yes. So, nag-react kami sa album ni Felipe. Kung hindi mo pa napapanood yun, panoorin mo na ngayon. Ting! So, without further ado, let's watch the music video. Bilis! Bilis! Yan, Orange.
So, without further ado, let's watch.
Let's watch it.
Ay, apoy-apoy.
Ang cinematic! Cinematic! Why? Naririnig ka natin kanina, no? Gregorian theme yung ulan, tsaka tornado. Tornado. Storm.
Okay,
and
let's
thunder.
let's enter the world of Seven Sin.
Ah, yeah. Yeah. Ay! Atake!
Parang horseman siya dyan ng apocalypse.
Wow!
Sabi na. Oh shit.
Ang angas nung may ano siya.
Kabayo.
Oo. Ayan yung
Ay!
album eh. Ang angas. Ay, 360! Ay!
Ay,
Sabi
uy,
ng
grabe yung
baby.
visuals, eh. It's giving world-class production. Ay!
Ang angas, grabe!
Ang galing ni Ken mag-concept.
Grabe, te!
So kami
Grabe!
budget siya.
Parang kaharap niya yung sarili niya. Yung evil self niya.
Oo nga.
Ang cute ng ano
Grabe yung
ah.
visual.
May style pa rin yung...
Giving visual effects.
Agree. Mean.
Just to go and see.
Go with say. I'm the shit. I'm the shit. I'm the shit. I'm the shit. Shit.
Parang nakikita ko
Ay.
nga na-influence niya si Kendrick Lamar.
No, pati sa visuals
Sa
eh.
visuals din niya.
Ang cinematic. Ang ganda nun, sci-fi, tapos ano dito sa Warzone.
Yung buhok.
Ay, Balenciaga talaga oh, yung suot niya oh. Ay! 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 Ay!
Alam mo,
Ay!
yun pala talaga yung song, no?
Song, oo.
Ang bitin ng vibes.
Eh,
Para shit, tapos na!
Bongga! Felipe! Parang
Sabi
movie.
na.
Ay!
Gano?
Warner Music. Bongga.
Bongga.
Ay!
Wait, ito try ito. Harry was the invisibility cloak. Okay, so that was
Envy! Grabe! I was green with envy. Ang sarap siguro maging part ng team na yan. Sobrang cinematic na tong envy na to. Grabe, I'm so speechless.
Ako masasabi ko maganda talaga siya kasi bitin. Bitin siya! Nagulat ako, ay, tapos na. Pero busog na busog sa visuals. May post-apocalyptic, may futuristic, merong cinematic, merong problematic, merong attic. Ano to? Eh, bongga siya! World class! Masasabi ko, parang may budget. Parang
Yeah! And sobrang pinag-isipan niya talaga because I wouldn't think na itong Warzone na eksena is itatapat niya sa 3D futuristic na world na
Diba?
green screen. Ang galing nung contrast niya doon and it still had a lot of contrasting ideas. Parang nagdi-DJ siya tapos
True.
nasa black siya tapos may mga nakaline na tao and kinontrast niya yun kasama yung mga friends niya na may woman, may kotse. Tapos nasa white naman sila na background. So, I like the contrasting elements in each and nagawa niyang napag-work niya pa rin kahit kasi sobrang ganda. I like it.
So, what did
So,
you guys think of this music video? Nagustuhan nyo rin ba or hindi nyo nagustuhan? Tell us.
Kung hindi niyo nagustuhan,
Bakit?
manahim. Hindi valid yung ano niyo. Ang ganda lang.
Okay, tell us in the comment section down below.
And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, at
Huwag kalimutan.
Felipe is an artist.
And he is full of envy.
Yeah.
Full of envy.
And he's one of a kind, grabe. We should really commend him. We should really commend every member ng SB19.
Agree.
Kasi
Art artist talaga.
they're really artists.
Bye!
So guys, nag-react kami sa lahat ng MV and
EP.
EP and
album.
songs and tracks ng album ng Seven Sins and Complex EP. So, panoorin nyo yun.
Watch it here.
Pa-iba-iba. Bye! Thank you guys. Happy birthday, Ken Felipe.
Ay.
John Suso.